This video is about little and large. Here is the smallest lock that I have, padlock, and this one is the largest lock that I have, padlock. And it just about fits on the head of this key. And in order to pick it, which I'm going to try and do, I've had to make a special tool, whereas the tension wrench for this big lock, I made this tension tool to fit in because the standard tension wrenches were too small, so I made this extra large one. For this very small lock, I've made a tension wrench. I just simply, with my Dremel, I have cut the shape of this so it is very, very small, so that when you compare it to the other one, look at the difference. There are no tension wrenches that you can buy like this, so I had to make it. So here we go. Let's try and pick this. And for this, I have to use a very, very small pick, and I have to single pick the pins, because nothing else will go in. It needs a very, very tiny pick to go in to pick these. I think there are 3 or 4 pins which need to be picked. It is so difficult to feel any movement on the wrench because it is so tiny. Okay, there's one. I think there's slight movement on the tension wrench. Number 1 pin doesn't want to go in. And just because it's small doesn't mean that it is easier to pick than the large ones. There are still 4 pins which need to go down, and we're working here at really a micro level. I might have to change pick to get down to these pins. And there we go. The smallest lock I have, and my homemade tension wrench. Wow, tiny.